Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, I'm pretty sure that's all the YouTube overlords want me to say out of the way. So today we have Air Fryer Gnocchi. In a bowl, as you can see here, we've got 1 pound of gnocchi or gnocchi, however it is pronounced. And then to that, I just added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is a real easy recipe to do. You should also be preheating your air fryer to 350 degrees. And then you want to add about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a bit of red pepper flakes if you choose, and a quarter teaspoon of onion powder. And then you want to add about a tablespoon or so of freshly grated Parmesan. Then you want to give this a stir around. And then you want to place this in the air fryer for 5 minutes. Then you want to take the basket out, give everything a little shake, pop it back in, and you want to cook it for 6 more minutes. After that, just pop it in a bowl for serving with a little bit of marinara sauce up there. And that's really it. Air fryer gnocchi, or gnocchi, however it's pronounced. But either way, this perfect little snack is done.